Hello everyone, I hope I'm audible and the screen is visible. Let me reduce the music a bit. Is the music alright? The background and yeah. Second, so let me move the emulator a bit. Yeah, that should be fine. So let me start the emulator. So zoom in the dot. Run this. Let's wait for some time. It's building. Yeah, the application is up. So in yesterday's video, what we did was let me close others and open up the pictures. So let me go to view the dart of pictures and view the dart of pictures. Pictures, very general picture. Yeah, this. So yesterday we were working on this picture. So if you see this, the last one, this is where you get the picture. So we can select a picture and we can upload. this is not complete. So yesterday what we wanted, like, since Flutter provides a way to say that how much % of things has been uploaded. So we'll try to track that, and we'll try to put this instead of upload, we'll try to put that percentage up here. And so yeah, let's try out that. So this is the view. Let's bring out the provider also, provider of picture and repository of general. Okay, so where we did was, we did it here, we uploaded the picture here, and so what we can do is uploaded file. How do you get the percentage of the things uploaded? Let's check out on the docs. So if I do ref, this is the reference of the storage, reference dot so we can't get it here. Uploaded file will take the task snapshot. So what is uploaded file doing? Upload file dot can get the reference dot get data, get download URL, metadata, put blob, put string, update metadata. So we can't get it here. Upload task. So if we don't do await, then in the uploaded file dot when we do when complete, then register callbacks to be called when this feature completes. When this feature completes with a value, the on value callback will be called with the value. When the feature is already complete, the callback will not be called immediately. What will be scheduled and it's micro task on error. Okay, not this. And what we can do is so we can as a stream, and we can resume. Then what we want is to get like what is the percentage that got uploaded. So let's bring up my Chrome. That upload status, Firebase storage. We can see my screen, right? How to check progress of image upload to Firebase storage. So when a user register for the my update to file lecture input, email, Firebase auth. Okay, let's storage reference. Okay, we did till this much, and get a file, upload to storage reference. How to track the progress of file upload to the server? Set observer upload of observer status the progress snapshot. This snapshot gives you special information such as total size. Okay. File, upload, task, observe status. Okay, so when we upload a file, if you don't do await, then we should be getting something. Let's see the tutorial once. So storage reference, local storage, So let's go back to our code. So if you don't do this, we can observe how do you get the thing. So snapshot events dot, let's expand for each handler reduce. Is there no any such function that directly gives you like what is the percentage to be uploaded and how much is gone? Set try your storage and no. It gives the total bytes, like how much is the bytes transferred. Okay, so what we can do is, if you see here, right, we can get bytes transferred and there is total bytes. So if you divide this, we should be getting something, right? But will this be kept on stream? Bytes transferred. So in case package, the current transferred byte of this task. So we need to keep checking every seconds, like how much is being transferred. So dot and total bytes will be bytes transfer total bytes reference dot. Okay, this is what we can do. Stream every seconds until the bytes transferred and is greater than equal to this, right? So upload picture. So we need to create a stream where we will be sending the percentage that is being uploaded, and the stream needs to be called on periodic. So here on provider, we will a stream provider. So picture upload stream. And this stream can send us the int, that will be the percentage. Future dot periodic. Timer dot periodic, not future. Timer dot periodic. So timer dot periodic, and creates a new repeating timer. The callback is inbox. So we can do duration of seconds. Every seconds. Every seconds when you tick, you'll get the ticker here. We can use undefined type. We can take a return type time is binary required by the return type timer is interpreted that's equal by the closure. So this should return okay. That's one thing. Let's see how stream works. Okay, so let me bring up Chrome. So stream provider river pod. The context of this stream provider is similar to feature provider, but for stream instead of feature, stream provider is used for listening to Firebase or WebSockets, rebuilding another provider every few seconds. Okay. Some may think that using stream provider has a low value. In particular, you may believe that Flutter stream builder works just as well for listening to stream, but this is a mistake. So whatever stream builder has imagined if it's less of a to listen to the stream. Okay. So what it does is you can look on this, and if you get a value, you can do something, and on error, you can do something. Okay. You need to yield something. An image has been received. Let's add it to the list of all message and yield it. Build a stream using timer.periodic Flutter. Create a stream that repeatedly emits events at period interval. The event values are computed above. So you can do stream periodic and get this. Take 5 stream for each sprint. Outputs event value 0. Okay, so let's see this. Hi here. So we're building an app, and if you see on this emulator, right? So let me show you the emulator. You can see the emulator, I guess. So we're building a journal type of app. So we have a card here that uses the user. You can track your timing of waking up, going for a walk, to-do list, and you can add your exercise, expenditure, and you can add what you learned for today. And now we are working on how you can upload a picture. So, and today we are trying to see how we can get the percentage of how much the image is being uploaded. So that is what this agenda is. I hope we got what we are trying to do. Thanks for joining it. Creating streams. Final partial. So this is how you create a stream. You can get from the source. For example, as in the ABS stream, counter stream that emits an increasing counter every second. Here's how you can do it. 15. We quickly see the event and controller and tick we get the timer. There counter extreme to send counter value as an event. Next controller the class. As we discover the stream return by time control like this. Time control duration every second 15 times. This elimination of time has a curve problem. It start producing even before the subscribers. It keep producing even if the subscriber request waiting for subscription. So after 5 seconds I listener, so wait for contrast time. Okay, this is not so understand for the timer plus and timer that periodic. Percentage of upload stream file base loaded Flutter. Post image, so reference Firebase and the Firebase status plugin in the Flutter about the SPT handling. So task is complete, cancelled, failed. Progress is user snapshot by transport, string by transport, snapshot, returns. Bytes transferred. So stream builder, task.event builder. This is snapshot and so if you see on base code, right? On the repository, the upload file, this will be a upload file and snapshot. This is a task snapshot dot and snapshot events. So this will give task snapshot, returns a stream or task snapshot. Either task is cancelled or fails, the stream will say task state for more information on the different options. If you do not need to know about ongoing stream events, you can instead await this task directly. So snapshot events will get result of ongoing process of a task. And elegant Firebase storage. So what this will return is this will return a stream and the task is cancelled or fails. Dot first dot timed out. So this will return a stream and then what can we do with the value? So if this is the first value, value dot okay, we can get the bytes transferred. This will be a stream. That's good. So this is what we can So snapshot events, this can be a stream. So if you return this, so this will return what do you say, this will return a stream of this. Okay, so let's try out this. So now on the view, upload picture, this will be stream, and we can start a stream provider from here, and if the stream is completed, that is, it's done. Second. So if you take the stream from here, and remove this. So for final snapshot of snapshot, the operator is defined with the type stream defined. So how do you define a family? 1 second. So let's go to family of riverpod and see. So in define a family, the way family works is setting an extra parameter. The properties parameter can then be freely used in our provider to create some state. For example, we can combine family feature provider to fetch messages from its ID. So when using the message family provider, the syntax is slightly different. The usual syntax will not work anymore. Seems like web tool study a bit more of the stream, how stream works, and how Riverport manages stream. This will take a little bit more time, so let's not do it for this. We'll do this, but I think we should not put more time on this since we have some other tasks also to complete. So in the upload picture, for now we'll not put the stream, but we'll do this. Okay, don't worry, we'll do this. So even I have to see like how get download URL. We need string or anything else. So what we wanted to achieve was that we wanted to get the stream so that we can get like how many byte of things got uploaded. But I think I have to look a little bit more on how stream works. So, but since we have planned this only for an hour, right, the live session, so I think it will take a little bit more time than that. Tomorrow we'll discuss on stream. Okay, so I also will get some ideas like how stream works and how Riverport manages stream. As I said, right, this is for beginners. Even I'm learning with you, so yeah, there will be many instances where I may not find a solution in the live, so I will have to do on the side thing, and we'll get there. So today let's do one thing. So this picture, right? So let's try to manage this picture. If you see, it stays in the middle, right? So it doesn't look good because we have added a fixed height and width. So what if we don't do this and we give the width, complete width of it? So if you get a complete width, how does it behave? So let me reload the app. So on content, this will be this, and but if you do fill, what does fill do? Fill will try to fill whatever the space is given to it. So it will stretch out on the width of it, and contain as fast as possible while still containing the source. As possible still containing the source entirely within the targeted box. Okay, and fill will fill the target box by distorting the aspect ratio as small as possible, still covering the entire target box. Make sure the full width of the source is shown, regardless whether this means the source overflows the target box. So we don't want to do this, not this. Fill the source within the targeted box, and if necessary, scale the source down to ensure that the source fits within the box. This is same as content. If that string gets image, otherwise it is the same. So how do we want this image to be? Either we can keep it this way, where it will be on the content state. So what this content will do is like we have a height, right? So it will take the height of it and it will maintain the aspect ratio and put the width of its own. I think that will be a better approach instead of stretching the image. So I think yeah, this we can keep it this way only. But in the network, let's put a loading state. Okay. So what happens is like if I reload this page, right? If you say and click on picture of the day, so you see there is nothing, right? But it's loading an image, right? So in the network you get this. So you can put a loading builder, context child, loading progress. So what you will get, we'll get the context of it, the child, and loading progress. So loading progress will be image chunk event. We don't want to do anything, so we can directly in the center we can put a progress indicator child, circular progress indicator. loading builder. A builder that specifies the widget to display to the user while an image still being loading. If the null and the image is loaded incrementally after time, the user will receive no indication of the progress at the point of the image is loaded. Performance implication. Chaining with frame builder. So what will this loading builder does? So let's go to the docs of it. Loading builder. So if builder function, see loading builders, chaining with loading builder. If a loading builder has also been specified for an image, the two builders will be chained together. The result of this builder will be passed as a child argument to the loading builder. For example, consider the following builder using conjunction. So if there is an image, future builder and frame bulls down, padding child, and you get the child. Progress. In this example, the widget hierarchy will contain the following: center, the following sample demonstration how to use this builder to implement an image that fits in once it's been loaded. The sample contains a limited subset. So this child is containing this loading progress. So what can we get from this? So if you see loading progress dot expect total bytes and loading plus. Okay, let's see something on how this loading builder of image.network works. So network image network network image loading builder. Load image from network loading builder property. When using loading builder in image network, it does not to show progress in the loading network. So let's say this. So image loading builder, frame builder and loading builder, two options function. I recommend let's see each of them and why that use loading builder. If it's called when the image is being loaded, below is a description of loading builder on Flutter docs. Okay. In short, this function is called when the first frame of the image is built. This function deals with how to build a frame of an image. Okay. Now lots of theory. Let's see this in practice. First, let's see how we use image network. Okay. This is what we have been using. Now let's see loading builder and frame builder. Circular progression when the image is loaded. So if loading progress is null, return child, else. So loading progress will show null when the loading is being completed, right? While the image is being downloaded, it will show the widget for the loading builder, and when the download is complete, it will show the widget from frame builder. In the loading builder, we are first checking if the progress is null or not. If it is null, we directly return the child as else will show the circular progress indicator. We can also show progress value by using data from the loading progress. Note the frame builder will return the child which contains the actual image. You can also wrap the child inside some animation to make it look good. Okay. So what we can do? This loading builder, we can call this. This will work. One second. So this will be circular progress indicator. Okay. And there is also one more called frame builder. 1 second. So let me get frame builder, and here we can just read another child. Okay, so how this will work is the frame builder builds the first frame. As soon as it gets the first frame, right, it will respond for getting the widget representation. If this is null, the widget is displaying an image that is painted as soon as the first image is being available. Color might also use this builder to add effect to the image, such as fading effect when the image becomes available, to display placeholder image when the image becomes, to have finger and control over the way the image is loading process. So it's just loading builder. So was synchronously loaded child loading builder. In this example, the widget hierarchy will contain the following. Okay, let's see how this works. So if you reload the page, and go here, you see loading, but you don't get the frame builder. Let's reload once more. Okay, so loading a chunk event. So image image byte that has been incrementally loaded. Chunks event represent progress in terms of image being loaded. Example from disk or our network. This means by which caller get notified of this event. So bit confused like how things are working out here. So frame builder is what builder represents for creating the widget that represents the image, right? This is the child frame and was synchronously loaded. Then builder example. If a loading builder also has been specified for image, the two builders will be chained together. The result of this builder will be passed as a child. For more consent in the following builder using conjunction. Let me put this in block so that we know like this frame is integer that we got. This is a child. This context was synchronously loaded. Okay, that is a loading progress image chunk event. So if it's null, then we get the image. We close this. Reopen once again. Close and reopen. Let's rebuild once. So when you open, it should be in the loading state. Then go to the full state, right? So okay. So this child will represent the image. So when it's null, we get the image, means there is no loading directly the image. But if there is loading, then we show the indicator. Okay, and frame builder is supposed to as soon as the one thing loading progress dot expected total bytes and cumulative bytes loaded. Okay, so what we can do now is in this child, what if we put up a thread animation? Let's put a duration, a transition, the name parameter opacity is required, opacity 1.1. Convey into type. So how does fed transition work? Fed transition example, get state, set dependent image controller, duration of this, and the animation. So we need to extend with ticker provider state maxing, and it'll take 2 seconds for it. So let's do one thing. Let's put up this. Okay, so we need to stateful consume, and the name was picture of the day. Picture of the day view. Okay, and this we need to put it here. This should work, and let's remove some other things like remove up to this and build. We don't need the reference will be passed directly. Okay, no more changes. So what this is doing is it's creating an animation controller for a duration of 2 seconds, and this is the animation. It takes up the controller. So now this animation can be passed as in the fed animation, fed transition. Opacity, we pass this animation, run this, and we need to rebuild it since we have converted from stateless to stateful. Hi Shubham, so we are building a journal app. If you see on the emulator, right? So we wanted to track our days, like what we do, like waking up time, sleeping, to-do list, exercise. It's a simple no means there's no too many things. There are simple things where we want to track, and we also have this where we'll write about like how you write your diary, right? So we'll also put up our general things where you can track your every minute. You can just write up things. So this is what the basic idea of this is now. So today we are working on how we can upload at least one picture. So at least one picture so that we can upload. That is what we are doing today. Okay, and currently we are working so that when the image is loaded, it goes in a fed transition. So when you load this, it should load and take it to second fed transition. Okay, so seems like it did not work, and but the example here shows that if you put a controller, the duration for 2 seconds, put an animation, and this animation forwards to the end, returns a picture that completes when the animation is complete. Return ticker if n is markers. So let's look up like getting a simple bad transition Flutter. With animation controller. Initiate controller, animation controller, facing this and animation controller. Animation then controllers are declared and defined in a class. And we'll see how to apply the certain widgets. So when we put the animation here, we should transition to perform a fair and child in user example Flutter under commission example perform a Flutter. So when you reload the page, and click on this, it should go on loading state and show you the image. Okay, let's remove the animation. So if you remove the fed transition from here, run this once again. So it will load up, get the image, and if you select a different one, you get the image, we can upload it. After uploading, it will reload the image Instead of taking it from the file, it will just try to bring up the image that is from the server. Okay. That is what we wanted. And if you close this and reopen, we still get the image. Okay, seems like the things that we wanted it got used. Only one thing is that when you select an image, right, and if you select an image, when you click on upload, still this button is enabled, right? You don't want that someone should click this upload more than once, right? So let's try to disable this image. When you already click on upload, we'll just disable this image like this, so that so when you click on upload, we'll be calling upload image, and what we can do is, when you call upload image, and let's create one more provider here, one more state provider. Picture and uploading state. So this will be of type boolean, always return false. So when you click on upload, this should return as true, and you should get this button as disabled. Okay, so what we can do, we can put this on a view. When you click on upload, and so it should be coming up here as grep.read .notifier .state as true. So now you're uploading, right? And when it's done, you should come back and make it false. So when you click on upload, it will be true, so that you get this button as disabled. So we can use this. So let's do final is uploading ref.watch. So if it's uploading still provided, if it's uploading, still disable the button. So what we can do is, here the selected image is null, then it's null, or it's uploading, then also it should be null. Okay, so let's do one more thing. Rebuild the image once, since we put a new state provider. Okay, seems like I was not sharing my screen. Okay, so what I was doing is, like, here on the upload image, we want that when you upload an image, still you should not get the button as upload, right? When it's uploading, you should disable the button so that they cannot click on upload multiple times. And when the upload is complete, then we should make it false so that they can upload again. So what we want to do is, when you click on this, select an image. Suppose this is a different image, right? Click on upload. Yeah, you can't click the upload multiple times, or else it will try to keep calling the same thing, right? So we don't want to do that. So the upload button will only be visible when you at least have a photo and you haven't clicked on upload. Okay, and if you see this one, it should be centered, and not only this, we'll remove the center. Instead, on top of center, we'll put one more size box that will have the same height as this. Okay, let's reload once more, so that we don't get that flicker when the loading step completes. So you get the loading, and you get the image. Okay, yeah, that is what we wanted to do, and I think it serves our purpose now. Now if you click on different image, click on upload, the upload is disabled, the uploading is in progress, and you get the uploaded image. Yeah, that's it. That's what we wanted to achieve. We wanted to get the loading state and all this. So that will be for the picture thing. So but there are two things that that we got stuck today. One is the stream thing. So let's put that in the to-do list. Doesn't know. So stream of uploaded bytes. So this is what we wanted to see in the next video, stream of uploaded bytes. And we also need to look a little bit on the animation side of it. Okay. Also on the animation. Okay, I'm putting both in our to-do list of this app itself. So we need to see the animation. So in tomorrow's video, what we'll do, in this picture of the day, right, we'll put animations like you see when you select one, right, and click on upload, you see there will be a circular this one, but when the image comes, it pops up directly. If you see, it pops up, right? We don't want this pop, we want a fade transition. We tried doing it, but yeah, I'm facing some difficulties. I need to know a little bit how the animation thing works out. So we'll be working on fade transition to get this, so that it does not look like it's just flickering out. That is one thing. And the second thing is the stream thing of it. So when you click on upload, right, we just disable the image, disable the button. We should not disable the button, but instead of upload the word here, right, upload, we also show the percentage of the image that is being uploaded. So these are the two things we'll look tomorrow. I will have to see how this animation and how the stream in Flutter works. Means not Flutter, but how Reverb would also control the stream. I'll look on these two things and I'll try to put that together in tomorrow's video. So that will be a learning from both of our side. I'll also learn how the stream and animation work, and you'll also get the simple idea of how we can put an animation. Okay, that will be for tomorrow. I think it's already an hour and we have only planned for an hour a day. So the two things that will be for tomorrow is see how streams work and how we can add an animation. So these two have caused some problem for us today, so or else we would have progressed a little bit more than this. So yeah, but we are doing the stream so that we can learn, right? So this is also it's a complete beginner thing. Like I'm also learning Flutter like by doing a live stream, and so that you can also learn and get idea. So yeah, so we'll learn how animation work and how stream works in tomorrow's video, and yeah, that should be it. So if anyone is wondering how a basic app looks, so let me show you the complete app once. Okay, so first is you get this card, okay, in the top, and you get the time and all this. And first thing you'll get is when you wake up. So if you click on this time, you can select the time of it from here. So suppose 4 a.m. Let's not 4, at least 7 a.m. And you click OK. This will get in the 7 a.m. Then if you went for a walk, then you can click on this and select a distance, save. If you have some to-do list, I've already shown, like we've already put 2 of the to-do list for tomorrow's. And similarly, you can put some exercise. So if you put some exercise, you can write suppose walking, click on plus, and you should get walking here. And you can also delete it by clicking on this. Okay, then learning of the day is like that we did in the first live session, where you can write if you have learned something. So you can, if you long click, then you can edit it and edit it, and you can click on update and you should get the edited one. The last thing is picture of the day, and we'll have some more ideas. We'll put that also there, but yeah, that will be for it. I hope you got understood how this, what the simple app can do. So, and if you are wondering how we are getting this temperature and the location, this is based on zip code and country code. We'll be using zip code and country code, and we'll get the temperature from openweathermap. This one. And I also have one more plan. So there is one plan that I'm working on is like we want that sometime we want a timer if you're trying to do something, right, so that we can track the timer. So we'll be working this. So but this is a little bit hard topic since we need to get the Android alarm system and all this. So we'll be doing this in the end, but for now that's it. Tomorrow we'll learn how animation and stream works, and I think it should be an interesting topic since I also have a very little idea of it, and we both can learn together. That's what I'm hoping for tomorrow's video. I hope to see you join, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next. Thanks everyone for joining.